welcome back to my channel. My name is Praveen and you are watching Techie Praveen. So in this video, we are going to talk about what is switch and case statement inside Dart. So let's get started. So basically, switch and case statement are used to check the condition like we have checked in if and else. So let's see how to write the code in switch and case statement. So currently I'm assigning a variable, name is age, and I'm assigning the value as 18. And here I am using switch statement. Let me first code it and then I will explain you. So inside this, if the value of age is 18, then it should do something, means print something. So you are eligible to vote, and then we have to use break to break this statement, and then we'll move to another case. Another case means 21, or here you are eligible for marriage, and we have a default value as well. It means if the above statement is not true, then we can use default statement like we have used else in if and else conditions. So you are underage or invalid age. Invalid age. Let me add one more case. Case is 17. Print you are underage. Perfect. And if I run this, currently my age is 18, so it should print you are eligible to vote. Yes, you are eligible for vote. And let me enter 17 or 16, 17. So it should print you are underage. So basically you can check various conditions whether your age is less than 17, 18. It all depends on you because it's a case statement. So basically let me enter some invalid age. So it should go to the default value invalid age. See, it's working fine. So basically what I have done is I have defined one variable name is age, and I have given some value, and inside this switch statement I have passed the variable age, and inside this we have a several conditions, right? Like we have in if and else condition we have several if, else if, and we have else condition if the above statement are not true. Same as it is in switch statement we are passing the variable. Inside this we have a number of cases. Means case 1 means if the value of age is 18, then it should print this you are able to work, because so basically what the meaning of break is, if you're using break, it means the compiler if this condition is true, then the compiler should stop at that point. It will not go to go and check the other condition as well. And if the above statement are not true, then it will directly go to the default default section, and it will print the or do some tasks that are defined inside a default brackets. So basically it's also a part of a conditional statement. One thing you have to keep in the mind that switch case always works inside integers and strings. Works only. It works only on integer and strings. It not works for boolean and double value. It's not work for boolean and double value. Perfect. So you can use statement to check number of conditions. So I hope you like the video and you like my channel. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. And if you are facing any issue in Dart and Flutter, please let me know in the comment section. I will definitely try to solve your problem as soon as possible. Thank you.